In this Guru Schools lecture, I'm going to go ahead and talk about the different types of Google Ads as I explained earlier, but I'm going to go ahead and get into the deep of it. So as I explained, there are 4 types of Google Ads. First is search ads, second is display ads, third is shopping ads, and fourth is going to be our YouTube ads. So today I'm going to talk about how do search ads work. So search ads basically work in a very common way, and that's the easiest way. So suppose, let's take an example. If I search about IIT coaching, if I only search IIT coaching about that. So just look at this. It says ad. And if you look at this, there are so many ads about it. Let's check. Okay, let's talk about first one. It says Ace of Base to 2021 up to 75% scholarship. So these are giving their ads. The ad is all about www.iitnspace.com/OAP. Maybe this is gonna be the company. That's gonna be ITN Space. Then same, it's gonna be LN Online, and this is gonna be by Jews. Of course, everyone is aware about that, at least in India. And then similarly, if I come back to the page number 2, it says you have the ITN Space again, then you have the LN, then you have a lot of options and ads in front of you, that just like you can see career orbits on different one. You have gigapromo.in. So you have, these are called ads, and these are called search ads. How do they work? We'll let that know. So for suppose if I'll search about cricket bats. So as I searched about cricket bats, these are the results. So if I take you to the shopping, these are gonna be the results of it. But if I come back to all, and if we'll see some ads, then you may see some ads. Let's check that. Maybe on page number 2, there is an ad. It says www.tripup.com, whatsoever it is. No matter what, but still, these are called your ads. So what does they basically call? These basically are known as search items or search terms. Or in a normal language, you can also say them your keywords. These are just your keywords. What helps us is, suppose you are not getting the whole thing to search. You just put the keywords in your search box, and then Google will help you to find that. Suppose you want to search about flower, but which flower, you don't know about that. So you only know that it's a white flower. Let's search about white flower, and Google will help you to know which flower you are asking about. And then you have, so look at this, 48 types of white flowers. So these are called keywords, which will help you to exactly know which thing you want to know, that which will exactly help you that. If I hit on this, then you can go ahead and check. Yeah, so on. Well, I do love flowers. So if I talk about, people also ask, what exactly people ask, what is a white flower called, what flowers are only white, and what are the little white flowers, and are white flowers bad luck? So many things people search for. I don't think so it's wrong, but yeah, Google will help you to let you know what all you can search with the help of white flowers. So I just put white flower on the search box, and I got so many results. I can see the results are, I don't know even, how could I say, in just 0.76 seconds. That's great. So this is called your keywords, and this is how you search for a particular thing. So there is one more thing, that Google has 2 main goals. First, it's user satisfaction. Second, the advertiser's satisfaction. So let's talk about user satisfaction first. What about user satisfaction? Suppose you and me are the users of a Google, right? And if I'm searching something, suppose I'm searching about the white flower. If it would not give me the best results for whatever I have searched, I will not be satisfied, right? Suppose I have searched for white flower, but if it does not give me this question, 40 types of white flowers are there, then of course I would keep on scrolling it, and I would keep on asking like which flower I was talking about. I might get confused. And at the end, I will not be satisfied, right? So the user satisfaction is must. Second thing, if I talk about advertiser satisfaction, suppose I have searched for white flowers, or maybe suppose, let's just close this and let's just come back to the normal Google page. Suppose I have run my ad of online courses, but what if I will not get the customers, I will not get the users to reach to my landing page? There is no point. I will not be satisfied with the Google, right? So I need to keep everything in my mind to be the master of Google Ads. Because the keywords which the people use, I need to use that as much as I can. So there are so many things to prepare about to be a good Google ad advertiser. So for that, we will learn that all together. But for that, let's just recall whatever we learned. So we understood that there is a user. So imagine there is a user, and that user is going to the Google and entering a keyword. Suppose the keyword could be anything, like maybe a ring. He is searching for a ring, and similarly, Google gives the results, like according to the keyword. If I search about ring, suppose I'm the user and I search about ring, and this is what I get as a result. And suppose I say, I like this one. And I will say, yeah, it's good for me. I can go for it. So Google gave me the results according to my convenience, right? So this is what we have learned, that a user come to the Google, enter the keyword, and this is the same thing that we get the results from the Google. Suppose there is an ad about rings, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's Carrot Lane. Suppose if I hit on this, that's a Tanishq partner. This is gonna be the Carrot Lane landing page. This is called a landing page, and it's beautiful. It's attractive. To be honest, it's really attractive. I don't know why, but I'm just loving this one. I think I'm gonna pick everything. But yeah, nevertheless, come back to the topic. So this is called the landing page of Carrot Lane. That's a partner of Tanishq. I'm not at all publishing it any brand. That's a very clear notice that I'm not giving any publicity to any brand. It's just like I just, randomly opened this. So this is called landing page. So what exactly I want to say is, there is a customer or there is a user which entered a keyword and Google gives the results. And then from there, you get into a landing page. So this is what we want, that if people search for the keyword, suppose if I am the advisor, and if I run the ad of online courses, so suppose this is what I'm wanting, that suppose there is a user and it enters online courses. So first ad should be of mine. So that first ad, if a person see, then he should reach to my landing page. That's be our first point. Second, our landing page should be so much attractive or so much knowledgeable or so much trustworthy that customers should reach to us as well. Not only to our landing page, just reach to us as well, so that we can get to earn money, right? So this is what we need to keep on thinking about. So what are the process of it? What is the process to be a good Google advertiser? First and the main thing, your keywords. Your keywords should be so strong. Just a moment. Yeah. So your keywords should be so strong that if people search for something, you should be the one to get that ad. Like to be the first one. So how do we do that? We need to prepare, or we need to collect those keywords which people generally use. And we need to keep on using that so that we can put that on our Google Ads. And then once they search for it, we will be the first one, so that they can reach to a landing page, and our landing page should be beautiful, attractive, knowledgeable, trustworthy, reliable, everything. Let's check that. Oh, wait. It's Guru School Online Learning Academy. If I go for this one, this is gonna be my first one. That's very great, I guess. If I hit on this is my landing page. And I want everything to be attractive. Everything should be, best. So it should be according to myself and according to my convenience. This is what this is my page. So you should be also using these kinds of things. But yeah, I am really liking the rings. So of course, after this video, I'm gonna go for that. But yeah, nevertheless, our main thought is to create a good landing page to collect more and more and more keywords so that we can attract our customer, or so that we can put our ad on the number one. Let's do this. So for this lecture, yeah, that was the note. And the summary of this lecture is: a user comes to the Google, enter the keyword into a search box, and then Google gives the result as per their keywords. So the keywords are gonna be the very main thing for this, right? So that's it for now. I'm gonna see you in the next video.